Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today's going to be kind of an interesting video. I was walking through the woods and there's a part of the property that I just haven't been really in, I guess, so to speak. Just because with the summer here, a lot of the weeds are up, and now that it's fall time, coming out here to look, I can see there's this area where there's a lot of dead ash trees. I think ash borer might have got to this years ago. And coming out here to look, there's all this good wood that's just dead, super dry. A lot of it's been off the ground here, so it's not punky or rotted or anything like that. It's really nice still. So gonna try to come out here with a tractor, make a path through here, open this part up a little bit, and then just start chainsawing. A lot of wood here that we can use for the winter to stay warm. A lot of bonfires to come, so figured that why not just start making this property usable again. All right, let's get to it. Wow guys, this is a lot of work. So I got a lot of the logs right here stacked. It goes back in here, so I'll be cutting those later, kind of more into manageable pieces so I can split it. We got this all knocked out right in here. I got to push all this pile out still. And then there's this huge boulder right here. I'm gonna have to hit this from like another angle to try to lift it on up and into here. But we at least got this cleared up, right? So we got a little bit pushed over there, tons of wood over here to use. As you can see, it just keeps going. So there's all these dead trees all in here. So a lot of stuff for firewood here. It's gonna be fun. I got my work cut out for me. So I think these might be a few more videos in here clearing all this out. But until then, I'll catch you later. See ya.